I will never order takeout egg rolls again after learning this simple recipe. First, gather your ingredients: shredded cabbage, carrots, green onions, and ground pork or shrimp. Mix them all together with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of salt. Next, grab your egg roll wrappers. Lay one out and place a spoonful of filling near one corner. Fold the corner over the filling, roll it halfway, then fold in the sides. Keep rolling until it's sealed. Use a dab of water to close the edge. Heat some oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the egg rolls, a few at a time, and fry until golden brown and crispy, about 3–5 minutes. Don't overcrowd the pan. Remove the egg rolls and let them drain on paper towels. Serve while hot with your favorite dipping sauce. And there you have it, crunchy, delicious egg rolls made right at home. Enjoy your culinary creation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips.